Let's do the protective style.
All right, mamas, you heard Kylie Ann. Today we'll be showing you how to create an easy beginner-friendly protective style. I know a lot of you have mentioned that you aren't able to braid or twist, so hopefully this style is perfect and easy to follow so you can recreate on your little. So first things first, you'll want to detangle their hair. So I'm going to apply the Uncle Funky's Daughter Thirsty Curls leave-in spray to moisten her hair.
It's raining.
It's raining?
Yes, it is. It's raining.
It's raining leave-in conditioner?
Yeah. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Papa wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Mommy, that's enough.
That's enough?
Yep.
Listen, I am not playing when I tell y'all that Kylie stays singing. She's always randomly singing, as you guys can tell from that clip right there. But you want to go ahead and take a wide tooth comb, or you can use your fingers to detangle their hair from ends to roots. So after you've detangled, you just create a diagonal part beginning from the front to the midsection. Then you want to part it on the side to section off that portion of their hair. So afterwards, you're going to create a middle part on the back to separate their hair into two pigtails. Next, you're going to create parts along the front piece of hair that you first section off. Then you're going to moisturize the hair. Now, the benefits of protective styling is that you can leave your hair alone for a few days to avoid over manipulating your hair. But you also want to ensure that your hair stays nice and moisturized during that time period as well. So you really want to make sure that the hair is nice and moisturized for each section. So we're using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Thirsty Curls leave-in spray and their Super Curl cream, which does an amazing job in moisturizing Kylie's tight coils. So Super Curl contains almond oil and shea butter, all of which Kylie's hair loves. So you can just apply that throughout and then use a little bit of the curly magic gel to tame any flyaways and grab the section with a tiny elastic band. So after you've grabbed that first section, you want to part off another section, but you'll be adding the hair from the first ponytail into the second section before gathering it with the elastic band to connect the sections together. So to amp up the style, have some fun and switch up the colors on the elastic bands to give the style more flair. The section should be connected like this, so just repeat those same steps and continue gathering and connecting the sections so that the front part of the hair looks like this when finished. Next, you'll work on moisturizing, detangling, and gathering up the first pigtail. So comment below and let me know if you'd like me to make a detailed video on tips for moisturizing your little one's curls. I'll be using the same Uncle Funky's Daughter products to moisturize and prep for this step as well. So these products can be found at your local H-E-B if you live in Texas. If not, be sure to check the description box below for more details on where you can shop the products. They're also available on their website, www.unclefunkysdaughter.com. And you can enter the discount code NaturallyChia to save 15% off your order. Now, when you gather the half into a ponytail, you want to include the hair that was left out from the front section. Then just take some more elastic bands and create little bubbles along the hair by spacing out the elastic bands down the length of the ponytail. Then you just repeat those exact same steps on the other side. So when you're finished, the hairstyle should look a little something like this, a super cute and easy protective style for your little to rock during the week. For maintenance, just have them sleep with their bonnet on to keep the style looking good. Comment below and let me know what you think of this look, and let me know if you've tried any products from Uncle Funky's Daughter before. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at NaturallyChia and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let me know what other kind of curly kid hairstyles you'd like to see.
Ooh, I like this protective style.